Hello guys, today I am showing you how I made my Mother's Day present for my mom. So basically what I'm going to do is a flower vase that I'm going to put fake flowers in. The trick is you basically need something that will be able to hold flowers. See, I kind of got like a Wendy's cup. Yeah, basically it can hold flowers. And once you paint it, it'll look really good and no one will know it's a Wendy's cup. Plus, mason jars are quite expensive now. So, yeah, we'll be doing a flower vase. I will be showing you basically how I was able to make this card if you didn't really buy any other present. Alright, let's get crafting. So the first thing I will be doing is a Happy Mother's Day card. So there's this type of art called quilling. You basically get colored paper, cut it into strips, and you curl the paper. So what you will do is cut out strips of paper and roll it around a small surface like a pen or a pencil. So basically what I'm doing is a pink heart and I'm putting it on the card. So you wrap it around and then you glue the edges and place it on the card. Doing a quick and easy vase. So first things first, you want to make sure that your vase or cup is dry. And now here I have Americana Decor chalky finish paint. And here I just grabbed the biggest paintbrush I could basically find. So let's get painting. So I'm pretty sure we'll need more than just one coat. Look at all the instructions. Who's gonna read all of that? Low odor. Yeah, I hope so. Shake for best results. Yeah, that's basically it. Shake well. Oh, it smells like paint you would use to paint your bedroom. It has basically the consistency of lotion. Ew. Oh, it smells really bad, but that's okay. Great, now I'm gonna have to wear a cup until it's dry. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed last-second Mother's Day gifts. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you turn on the little notification bell because I always post new videos every Saturday. Thank you for watching. Bye!